Good morning, my lovely souls. So, today, this tapping session is about designed to help you cultivate a more positive mindset. Each round consists of tapping on different acupressure points while repeating affirmations related to positive thinking. Remember to tap gently and focus on your breath while doing so. So, let's begin. So, round one will be acknowledging the current feeling. Even though sometimes I struggle to think positively, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I may have negative thoughts, I choose to cultivate positivity within myself. Even though it's hard to see the good in every situation, I honor my feelings and choose to shift my perspective. Even though sometimes I struggle to think positively, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I may have negative thoughts, I choose to cultivate positively within me. Now we'll move with the meridian tappings. Even though I have these negative thoughts, it's hard to stay positive sometimes. I accept how I feel right now, even if it feels challenging to be positive. I choose to acknowledge my feelings. I give myself permission to feel what I feel, and I choose to work towards a more positive mindset. I am open to shifting my perspective. Relax. Now we'll move to the next round where we'll be cultivating the positive thought. Now let's shift our focus to cultivating this positive thought, right? I am capable of thinking positively. I choose to see the good in every situation. Positive thinking comes naturally to me. I attract positivity into my life. I am surrounded by positivity. I am grateful for the abundance of positivity around me. I radiate positivity and optimism. My thoughts create my reality and I choose positivity. Relax. Now we'll move to round number 3. Now we'll be reinforcing our commitment to maintain a positive mindset. I embrace positivity in every aspect of my life. Positive thinking empowers me to overcome challenges. I am in control of my thoughts and I choose positivity. Every day I become more positive and optimistic. I release all negativity and embrace positivity. My mind is a magnet for positive thoughts and experiences. I am worthy of all the good things that come into my life. I am a beacon of positivity, spreading joy wherever I go. I am a beacon of positivity, spreading joy wherever I go. I am a beacon of positivity, spreading joy wherever I go. Relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Notice how you feel after completing these rounds of tapping. Allow yourself to embrace the positive energy you have cultivated. And remember, you can always return to this practice whenever you need to realign with the positivity. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.